Welcome to Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. Today I'm going to show you forklift spare parts, fork extension. Fork extension, also known as a fork extender or fork sleeve, can make your fork longer. The purpose of a fork extension is to improve the reach of a forklift to transport a larger, longer cargo safely. These fork extensions are produced by our factory. The materials are integral iron alloy profile made by an automatic welding machine with precise dimension, high strength, and long service life. The surface is treated by automatic black painting with a beautiful appearance. These fork extensions are cost-effective and have been sold to many countries worldwide, such as Tokyo, Russia, Brazil, etc. Let's quickly review today's forklift spare parts. Fork extension. It can make your fork longer. Thank you very much for watching Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. For more information, please contact me. It's my pleasure to share more with you.